Welcome to Wellness Trueself Healing. This is your time, your space. A gentle invitation to come home to yourself. Find a comfortable position. Allow your hands to rest softly. Let your shoulders relax. Close your eyes if that feels right. Take a slow, deep breath in. Feel your chest rise. And exhale, releasing any tension. Breathe in, calm. Breathe out, heaviness. Breathe in, peace. Breathe out, whatever you no longer need. Imagine roots growing gently from the base of your spine. These roots reach deep into the earth beneath you. Steady, secure, grounded. You are supported. You are safe. Feel the calm strength of the earth holding you, anchoring you in this moment. There is nowhere to go, nothing to do. Just this breath. And the next. Bring your attention softly to your heart. Notice its quiet rhythm. This is the center of your being. Here you return to yourself. Here you remember you are whole. You are enough. You are allowed to rest. I am grounded. I am calm. I am home within myself. I trust my journey. I honor my healing. When you feel ready, gently bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Open your eyes. Return with softness. Return with gratitude. Thank you for sharing this moment with Wellness Trueself Healing. Be gentle with yourself, always.